Mother's Day gift ideas for your mama, part 2. What does any mom want more in the world than sleep? Homeopathy can really help with sleep issues on many different levels. The first one is Coffea 200. This is great when your mind's just racing and you're really jittery, kind of like after you had coffee. If there's a lot of stress in a day and that's preventing sleep, Ignatia 200 is a really good option. If it's sleep for the kiddos and maybe they're having night terrors, Stramonium 6C is a really good option. If it's bedwetting, the homeopathic preparation 4X 6C is really good for that too. Now, if the reason you're not sleeping is because your husband or your dog or yourself is snoring, there's a remedy for that. Sanguinaria 200 taken twice a day until the snoring resolves. I've linked all of these remedies in my bio and made a handy little printout for that. So check it out. Happy Mother's Day to you and yours. Follow for more homeopathy tips.